AutoFry, your source for ventless kitchen solutions. Performing the boil-out procedure on the AutoFry MTI 10X XL. What you will need: boil-out tablets, white vinegar, water, clean sponge, paper towels, rubber gloves, and a measuring cup. While the AutoFry is off, attach the drain hose to the drain valve on the oil pot with a stainless steel bucket set up underneath. Turn the valve to begin draining the oil from the oil pot. Please note, you must remove the basket and heating element in order to remove the oil pot. Remove the oil pot from the fryer and place in sink. Use paper towels to remove excess debris and grease from the bottom of the pot. Try to remove as much debris and grease as possible. Add water to the oil pot until it reaches the cold fill line. When finished, reinstall the oil pot into the AutoFry. Power on the AutoFry, then select the tools icon, followed by the boil-out feature. The AutoFry will begin to heat up to 195 degrees. While the AutoFry heats up, create your vinegar solution consisting of 1 cup white vinegar and 1 gallon of water. Make sure the solution is combined thoroughly. When the AutoFry reaches 195 degrees, a 15-minute timer will begin. It is at this point the boil-out tablet should be added to the food entry chute and dropped into the water-filled oil pot. After the 15-minute timer is complete, the AutoFry will automatically power down. Allow the AutoFry to cool down for about 30 minutes before removing the heater box, food entry chute, and oil pot for rinsing. Rinse the heater box with the vinegar solution, followed by water. Repeat the process with the food entry chute. And one last time with the oil pot. You may need to use a clean sponge for stubborn areas. It is important to rinse thoroughly to avoid contamination. Dry all components thoroughly before reinstalling. Once all components have been reinstalled, add your cooking oil to the oil pot until you reach the cold fill line. You are now ready to power on the AutoFry and begin frying. Questions? Feel free to reach out to us anytime.